Okay.
Yes?
You're going to make your sandwich.
Yes?
And I'm going to make Brian's sandwich.
Mom, but why?
Because we're hungry?
Yes. We're not making a video. Mom, please. Please.
No, I'm doing Brian's, and you're doing yours.
Yes. Mom, we're doing the video. Mom, the video. What for?
Like that. And I
Yes?
close it up.
Hey, what are you going to do tonight? Mom, we're doing the butter. Mom. What for?
Okay.
Okay.
This is my pan.
Yes.
This is yours. And I flop it on.
Yes. Yes.
Flop it on. You know why?
Why?
The butter.
Yes.
For cooking.
You can do it. But, what about to turn it on? Can we turn it on?
It is on. Mine's on, yours is on.
Which number?
225. And I'm gonna check it.
Yes.
Oh. Dot. Check it. Good, good, excellent. We're cooking.
Yes. Yes. Which number?
And then while we're waiting,
Yes. Yes. What are you doing?
there you go.
I think not bad.
Just a little. You see me? Just a little.
I don't know.
And ba 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 ba.
Mom.
And I'm gonna check it. Yep. Coming along.
Are you done?
No.
Yes.
No.
No.
We're cooking.
No.
Yeah. Still, it takes a minute. Takes a minute to cook.
I have to get out of here.
You're
Yeah.
fine.
Yes.
And check it. Looking good. Looking good. And I think we're ready for.
Yes.
One, two, three. We're gonna flip. Nice! You got the flip. And
Yes.
we're gonna give it a minute,
Yes.
and then we're gonna
Yes.
check it.
Check it.
Press it. All right.
Sorry. So what? What are you looking?
Okay, Brian.
Yes. Mom. I have to get out of the camera.
That helps.
Yes.
And I'm gonna check it. Oh, it's getting nice and brown. A little bit more heat. Nice and brown. Should I do that too?
Yeah.
Helping it cook?
Yes.
I'm getting ready to flip again.
Yes. I know.
Try again. Oh, yours is brown too.
Yeah.
And? Yes, to help it.
Yes.
Okay. Alrighty.
Yes.
I'm going to turn it off.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All the way down.
And?